Hello, welcome back to a brand new video, guys. It is 5 o'clock on the dot. I am waiting to board my flight to Lanseria, Jersey. I've got a rental car waiting for me there. That's it. We are heading up to Campfest. This is quite exciting. It'll be the first time we've travelled up, let alone it's also the first time ever flying on my own, so I'm kind of nervous, but I'm sure it's going to be quite chilled. I mean, everyone I've spoken to says it's really chilled. We've got to check in and such. Our gate is right here, so we are a little bit early, but you know, that's right, it's not a bad thing. Bottom here. So yeah, I'm taking you guys along for the trip. We haven't vlogged in a while, sorry about that, but hopefully it's a dope video and you guys see some cool stuff. I've been seeing a lot of content, so it's actually Sunday morning, so today's the main day. But that's what a lot of people say about Campfest. So we'll see what happens when we get there. I've seen a lot of content already online of all the cars that are there and it looks crazy. So yeah, stay tuned. So we have landed in Lanseria. We are in a rental car, so you have to stall it. The interior is actually crazy similar to the Suzuki Swift, like the actual heads-up display is like really similar. Same thing with the radio. It's got CarPlay there, so that's a win. I'm enjoying it. We got a good hour 20-minute drive to the event. I had to cruise on this road for about 110 k's before I even have to turn anywhere, so nice and straight all the way there. We are ahead of schedule by like an hour or so, which is great. So I'll update you guys when we get there. I might stop at the petrol station just to get something to drink, and when I do so, I'll do a walk around of the rental car. Actually, it's Scootmobile. See you guys there. Alright, so we're deep in Bella Villa, the Warm Baths. This place looks crazy, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually jealous of all the people swimming because I don't have time for that. I can hear the music there. I'm pretty sure that's where the vibe is. Everyone says just follow the music. So I'm going to turn my camera around and shoot up there as we reveal over the hill and see what it looks like. There's the Low Start team unloading, ready to rock. There's the show. Very, very nice. We're gonna go find Brett. It is way later on in the day. I say way later on, it's probably like past 11 now. I've been shooting a little bit. The camera is hot, she's not loving it. But as you guys can see, there's some really nice cars as far as the eye can see. I'm going to do a walk around later and show you guys like all my favorites, because I always say that I'm going to do that and then I never do. And those videos never come out because I feel bad. But I'm going to do exactly that. probably like one of my favorites. I find that like every time I like start moving around the show, I somehow land up in front of this car, either taking pictures or videos of it, and I'm obsessed. Alright, so behind me is probably the craziest thing I've seen all weekend. This, to my knowledge, is all one owner, and each car has the same engine in it, swapped some Porsche motor or the Porsche cover motor, I'm not exactly sure, but he's got every model of Golf with it on. I'm going to walk you guys through each one, show you the boot displays and the engines, as well as the interior. This is probably the craziest like collection I've seen, and it's all owned by one person to my knowledge. Mark 5, same motor. Probably my favorite, the Mark 4. I'm just such a big fan of this blue colorway with the, I want to say it's like a brownish orange interior. Stunning. Very similar style to what we had at OTF with that 1 Series. Mark 3, look at the paint. Paint tanks color coded. Go. Casual Mark 2. Listen, like I said, every single car's interior is just nuts. Like, I mean, it doesn't get crazier than this. Probably can't hear me. There's that. So we're walking over to the Team Nerdo. You guys would have seen their cars online. They're very notorious. Everyone knows their cars. This Mark 7 is insane.
I've been feeling quiet away from you. But the time is down, it's fading. And I feel better. I feel okay.
Skyline's very hot to be walking around. I'm cooking, and you find Brett and Dylan. But yeah, let me also show you one last car. I might throw in some of the cinematics, just some of the hot stuff that I'm a fan of, just to show you guys some of the cool cars. But this Audi over here is also like probably one of my favorites from the day. It is nuts, and this color is insane. Helemaal. It is Monday following Campfest. I got back last night, I want to say around 10. Got home 10:30 or so, give or take. Yeah, what a vibe. Campfest was crazy. Really, really nice. There's a lot to take in, I can't lie. And the heat, phew, it's easily the hottest show I've been to. My body's not happy about it. I'm currently busy editing the main video. I still need to make like a small intro portion for the main video, but this is like the first main like cinematics of the video. I'll show you guys a bit of a preview here. I don't know how well this is showing up. That logo is not staying there. Alright, there you have it. I'll give you guys an update in a bit more. I'm going to do some more editing, and then I'll probably get some pics done in like an hour or two, just so I could post some pics on social media. So we already posted a trailer on our Facebook, and that came out quite nice. It's resonating quite well. I posted really late though, so like I don't know how well it will do, but yeah, other than that, what a vibe. And I'm really enjoying the edit so far. Like it's weird, but like I'm smiling all the time, so clearly we're doing something right. Alright, so there you do have it. The video is done. It's all edited and finished. Posted it online, it's doing quite well. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's actually taken the time to watch our YouTube videos, just in general, apart from the Campfest video, but just videos in general. We really enjoy what we do, and it's actually been quite fun to do a vlog again. We might try and do this more. Let us know in the comment section if you guys want to see more of this kind of content, if you think it's something that we should post more often. I'd like to film more behind the scenes of us actually shooting events in the future, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think of the video, and again, thank you so much for supporting us. If you guys have been watching us for a while, if you're new, welcome to the channel. And yeah, we're going to keep posting dope content, and we hope to see you guys soon.